Okay, has anyone noticed that when you put latest Photoshop AI tools in, let's say, YouTube, and you start scrolling, it's so much. It's so much and so overwhelming. And I just want to talk a little bit about AI today. So I'm not sure if any of you subscribe to the credit system in Adobe now for these new AI tools. I know that we get 250 credits per month, okay? What does that get you? Well, I generated 2 extended canvas generations, a couple days ago. That's it. I never use GenFill or anything like that in Photoshop anymore. I just don't. I used to use it predominantly for hair when you do a composite and you cut it out, and I used to use that. I loved it. I even did a lesson on it on my platform because it worked so well for composites. And now, if you do that more than 2 or 3 times, you've used all your credits. I know that it's supposed to be like 20 credits per generation, but I swear to you, I used it twice and all 250 credits were used. And I was like, you know what? Screw this. I am so 100% boycotting that whole credit system. I feel like I've given Adobe so much money over the years. And in all honesty, these new tools, like the rotating of the 3D object, which is actually 2D, things like that are not necessary. I feel like what's necessary is to just up your hand skills, get as good as you can, and rely on the fact that your images are human created. There's gonna be so many people that jump on this and say, if you don't get with the times, you're gonna get left behind. I've been doing this for 20 years now, and I can say that my skill set now, 20 years later, is so much better than anything AI can generate. You know, there's certain things in AI like remove wires, remove people. Okay, that's cool. You can use those tools. I think they're useful and helpful, especially if you're shooting weddings and you have 50 plus images that you have to fix, right? But for me, what I do, there's a couple of things that I use that don't require the credit system in Photoshop. Select subject, remove background, the remove tool, that kind of thing. I find them super handy, but I don't need Photoshop to generate images for me. Why? Because I'm a photographer. So I can go out and I can shoot 5, 6, 7 different items and easily use those to create my composite work and my stories and my imagery. So I just encourage everyone who is feeling overwhelmed by all of this to know that you don't necessarily have to adhere to it and use it just because you're going to see it everywhere. Adobe's putting advertisements up everywhere. All the Photoshop influencers on YouTube are jumping on and they're sharing all of these new updates constantly. And they're kind of giving you that sense of you need to do this too. If you don't do it, you're going to miss out. I just don't buy into it. I don't. I feel like now more than ever is an opportunity to refine your hand skills, keep it human, and then have so much more pride. And speaking of learning to do things by hand in Photoshop, I do want to let you know that I have a couple of new series of courses up. The first one is my Digital Art Beginners Photoshop Digital Painting Drawing course. This does not involve photography. If you are new to digital art and you're a beginner, these 3 lessons are going to really help you figure out how to start, how to trace, how to draw perfectly, and how to start your drawing journey in Photoshop, okay? This is my beginner's course. Now, if you take a look at my intermediate course, this one features 3 different lessons. One of them is this cute little Easter bunny. The second one is this pear, and the third one is this little creamer. And these, all 3 of these are done in Photoshop digitally, okay? These are not photographs. This one here, actually, what I do is I take you behind the scenes how to photograph your reference images and light it and use it for your own drawings. So if you're looking at, even as a hobby, doing something that's a little bit more creative and more for yourself, this is a great course for you. The beginners and intermediate are up now. There will be an advanced one available in the coming weeks.